Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can add skills to your player in eFootball. So it's pretty simple. You want to click on game plan. From inside game plan, you want to select the player to whom you want to add skill. Let's say I want to add skill to this player 56. I will click on him. Once I click on him, it'll show me this. I need to click on skill training. Once I click on skill training, you can click on player skill. Now over here, I don't have any skill, which means I need to add them. Now to add new skill, I need to click on new player skill. Now to add a new skill, I need to use this token called green. Now to see how many green token you have, you can see at the top right corner. I only have 3 green tokens, so I can use one of them. I will click on it and one of my token will be used. Once one of my token is used, new skill will be added. As you guys can see, dribbling shot has been added. Now I can use this player to use this skill called dribbling shot. So if you want to add new skill, you can click on new player skill and keep on adding. Just make sure you have enough green things so you can add it. So I hope you understand how to add skills in eFootball. Hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.